All right, so this is a look at the Xsense SD19W. We've got the 3-pack here, and the great thing about these is the fact that you're actually able to interlink up to 24 of these wirelessly, making it really easy to install, and you're able to just connect a bunch of these. So regardless of how big of your house is, you're able to connect a lot of these. So this is what it looks like. You can see we've got the 3 right here. This is gonna be your mounting bracket. This is what's gonna go up on the wall. It's gonna come with some screws and some pieces so that it's held into the wood. And you can see there's just 2 screws right here. So all you gotta do is just screw this mounting bracket up into the ceiling, and then you're just gonna twist and click it into place. Now, once you do click it into place, it's going to beep, and that's gonna let you know that it is active. So if I twist it, it does give a little beep right there, letting you know that it's active. So that's what it looks like here. And let me go ahead and show you real quick before we install it, how you actually pair these up. So the way that you pair it is, number 1, you actually have to have it here on the mounting bracket. So if you're doing this, you know, before installation, you just connect it there. We've got this one connected here. So let's say we want to link these 2 together. So we'll pick the first one, doesn't matter which one. We're just gonna we're gonna click this down 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna beep, and now you're gonna see it's starting to blink red. So that means that it's in pairing mode. Now we wanna pair this one with this one. So all we gotta do is click this one twice. Now they both beeped. Now you can see that they are linked up. So these 2 are linked. Now let's say we want to link a 3rd one. And obviously you could just keep doing this and connecting more and more. So now either of these are totally fine to use as the original linking one. So let's just pick eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let's pick this one. So let's go ahead and do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's going to be in pairing mode. You can see the red light is blinking again. Now same thing with this. We're going to do 2 clicks. 1, 2. Okay, now they are all linked. So all 3 of these are wirelessly linked. So now what we can do is we can go ahead and install these. So let's go do it. Okay, so now we've got our bracket installed here into the ceiling. Nice and easy. Let's go ahead and we'll connect this. So again, you just kind of line up those pieces. You're gonna twist it till it goes into place. All right, we heard the beep. Beep went off. That means that it is now active. Now, if you wanted to test this, it says that you should test it weekly, but if you want to test it, basically you're just going to press this button right here. There you go. Loud and clear, it works. And then to deactivate it, you're just gonna have to hold it down, and then it's gonna go beep one more time, and that means that now it's back to the standby mode, ready to detect smoke. Again, the great thing about these is the fact that you're actually able to connect these pretty much anywhere, whereas those other ones that are wired, you know, you're gonna have to drill into the ceiling, wire them in. So it's awesome that these are wirelessly all connected. Again, you can do up to 24 of these. And this does have a manufacturer battery of 10 years on it as well. So these are actually going to last quite a long time. Really easy installation. So if you're looking for some good smoke detectors, something easy to install and pretty much works at any house, then I would definitely recommend picking up the Xsense smoke detectors.